Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do Olympiad question 5 raised to the power x plus 25 raised to the power x equals to 125 power x. We need to find the value of x here. How to find this x value? So first of all, you can see the right hand side is the 125 power x. So we will divide by the 125 in both sides. 125 power x here and here also. So this one is cancel out, so it will be 1, and it is 5 upon 125 power x and 5 power x. Similarly 25 power x upon 125 power x. Okay, now after that you can see this power x, so we are using the law of exponent. If we have a power m and b power m, both powers are same, so we are using this law, a upon b whole power m. Similarly, we are using here 5 upon 125 power x, and here 25 upon 125 power x equals to 1. And this 5 is cancel this 125, 5 1 5, and it will be goes to 5 2 10, 5 5 25. 1 upon 25 power x, and it is 25 1 25 and 25 5s are 125. So it is 1 upon 5 x equals to 1. Now you can see the 1 upon 25. 25, I will write this 25 is the 5 square and whole power x plus 1 upon 5 power x equals to 1. After that this x goes to come this power 2. I will write this power 1 upon 5 square, and can we write this 1 is the 1 square. So 1 upon 5 square whole power x plus 1 upon 5 whole power x equals to 1. Now this power will be changed. This x power inside and 2 power is outside. Will change by this x, and we'll write this square outside. If we have a power m whole power n, so can we exchange this power, this n here and this m is here. So we are using this here to 2 here, and x is inside, and plus 1 upon 5 power x is as it is equal to 1. Let we assume 1 upon 5 power x equal to t. So we'll write again the last equation, 1 upon 5 whole power x whole square plus 1 upon 5 whole power x equals to 1. So instead of 1 upon 5x, we will assume the t. So t square plus it is t equals to 1. Now this 1 comes in left hand side. So you can see this is a quadratic equation. If you compare by the quadratic equation and using the quadratic formula, you will get the value of t. So a is 1 here if you compare it, b is 1 and c is minus 1. And what is our quadratic formula? X equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now if you see, do not write the x because your quadratic equation in terms of t. So t now a equals to 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 1. Put the value of here b equals to minus 1 plus minus under root of b square. B square means b is the 1, b 1 square minus 4 into a is the 1 and c is minus 1. So put all the values here. So we'll get minus 1 plus minus 1 square is the 1 minus minus plus it is 4 upon 2. So now you can see the t value is minus 1 plus minus, this is root 5 upon 2. Now we will take the t value in two terms, positive and negative, positive sign and negative sign. If you take the positive sign, so the t value is t equals to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, and if you take the negative sign, so the t value is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, now check and recall our t is what our t is initially. If you assume, you can see the t value is 1 upon 5 power x. This is t equals to 1 upon 5 power x. So we will put the both side, in both terms, in positive and negative, both values के लिए we will put t equals to 1 upon 5 power x. So 1 upon 5 power x minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Okay. Now after that you can see if we have a power is the x. So we will take out both sides log 1 upon 5 power x log of, can we write this 1 minus 1 plus root 5 and this minus 1 here by 2. So and in this case you can see if you put the value 1 upon 5 x equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. You can see the positive number power is also positive and the base is also positive. As positive number power is also positive and so both are positive. So you can see the value is left hand side is also positive. But in right hand side you can see here that there are two negative, minus 1 and minus root 5. So its value is also negative. And we know that the positive value is never equal to the negative value. So this case is not possible. So we are solving for only this case. So log 1 upon 5 power x equals to log root 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So taking log both sides. So this x come in front of log, x log 1 upon 5, and we'll write this log root 5 minus 1 by 2 as it is. Okay. After that divide by log 1 upon 5 both sides. This one cancel. So x equals to log of root 5 minus 1 by 2 and log of 1 upon 5. Okay. If you write the answer in the term of the log, so we will write log root 5 minus 1. Both are the log, so we'll write this 1 upon 5 in the base here. So this is our answer. And if you put the value of particular all the values root 5, so we'll get the another answer. So this answer is the log in terms of log. If you write the values here one by one, so first of all we will solve this portion root 5 minus 1 by 2. So if you do the root 5 square root, you will get the value 1.23606798. This is by using the calculator we are finding this value, and if you are put the value, you can write down the just 2 digit after decimal after 2 digit number only 1.236. You can write only 1.236, and if you write the full value by the calculator, so you can write this value by 2. Okay, so if you subtract it and divide by 2, you will get the value 0.61803399. This is calculator value. Okay, and we will write instead of this long value, we'll write only 618. So log 0.618 upon log this 1 upon 5. This 1 upon 5 value is, everybody knows 1 upon 5 value is 0.2. 0.2. Okay. So, and if you are using log of 0.618, the value of this and this, and if you divide these two terms, find out the log 0.618 value and find out the log 0.2 value, and if you divide these two values, so you will get the answer 0.299. So see with your calculator log 0.618 value and log 0.2 value and get the value, you will get the answer 0.999.